Sony Mobile's flagship smartphones for 2018, Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact, were recently unveiled at the company's keynote during Mobile World Congress 2018 in Barcelona. While most specifications and features of the two smartphones were announced at event, Sony missed out on mentioning pricing details for any of the international markets. However, Sony Germany has officially outed pricing details for the Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact in the respective market. Details for no other markets was available at the time of press. According to an official blog post on the Sony Germany website, the Xperia XZ2 will be available in Q2 2018 at a price of €799, roughly $63,700, and the Xperia XZ2 Compact will be available for a price of €599, roughly $47,800, in Germany. The price gap is €100, roughly $8,000, more than last year's Xperia XZ1 and Xperia XZ1 Compact. Xperia XZ2 will arrive in liquid black, liquid silver, deep green, and ash pink color options, while the Xperia XZ2 Compact will be made available in black, white silver, moss green, and coral pink variants. Additionally, sale of the Xperia Ear Duo XEA20 will start in summer 2018 at a price of €279, roughly $22,200. Prices and availability, again, only available for Germany. And, lastly, German customers can also purchase the wireless charger WCH20, only for Xperia XZ2, at a price of €79, roughly $6,300, starting Q2 2018. The German pricing was first spotted by GSM Arena. To recap on the specifications, the Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoCs, Full HD and displays with 18:9 aspect ratio, 4GB RAM, and 64GB inbuilt storage. Both phones run Android 8.0 Aria out of the box.